what has happened, but now suddenly if there's a child in a car and the car is on the edge of a cliff.
Something like this for children. Have you taken it up after you thought about after having a child and how it has happened?
I think that once you become a parent, you start to become a little more sensitized to these things. You start to feel a little differently for children. Where you perhaps at one point I've always thought I like kids, I have younger cousins, and I enjoy spending time with them. Once you become a parent and you hear that there is a child who needs help, a child who is sick, suddenly you start to get very unsettled and you feel very uneasy and you feel like you have to do something. You feel like you just cannot tolerate it, you cannot bear it. So it does affect you in a different way.
I heard about Helping Hands, and it was my mom actually who was sitting right there who introduced the work that they're doing to me. And yeah, I didn't hesitate even for a second. It's extremely important work. So, more power to you.
This is really the other thing that has really struck me. And it's not been a very long time that we've been working with them, but the remarkable thing is how such small things can make such a difference. But what Matthew is saying about this 2 rupee bhadi pop making such a dramatic difference, about 4,500 rupees being enough money to accommodate a family for a month. These are such small sums of money to us. These are kind of things that you don't think about. You will spend that for a meal. 3-4 friends will go out and you will watch a movie and buy popcorn and you will spend that much money without thinking about it. But that is money that can change someone's life. That is money that can actually, literally save a person's life. It can mean the difference between life and death. It's amazing how these things, which to us seem so irrelevant, can make such a big difference.
Hi, Imran. Kirika here from Zoom. Hi. It's on a personal level. After having your own baby, has it changed you as a person? What you were before becoming a father or mother, and now what you are. Of course, apart from the sleepless nights, but individually, how much it has changed?
I'll tell you one thing. I can't watch movies which have children in dangerous situations. I don't know what has happened, but now suddenly if there's a child in a car and the car is on the edge of a cliff, I start panicking and I get very unsettled. I can't deal with it.
Well, can I tell you how Imran has changed?
Yeah, actually, I want to know on a personal level rather than just,
Thank you all for coming.
No, I mean, the kind of changes that you go through, I don't even know if I can elaborate correctly. But yeah, I mean, I have become sensitive to everything. I think I've just become like a weeping mess. I see like an ad on TV and I'm like, I'm crying, I'm looking at him. So, yeah, having your own child is life-changing in every possible way. And I mean, I'm really glad that I got to experience it. And Imran and I both, I think, have changed entirely. I mean, I feel like I've changed. I've grown up. I think I was the child first. So now I'm a grown up. And he who used to pride himself on being like this ninja-like master of stealth, could be in and out of a room and you wouldn't be able to tell, has now become the clumsiest man on the planet. And every time his daughter is asleep, he will drop everything inside. So.
इमरान, in terms of medication, आपने अपने बेटी को कई बार लेके गए होंगे हॉस्पिटल. आपने कुछ देखा है कि हमारे यहाँ पर मेडिकेशंस में कुछ कमियां हैं, चाहे वो बड़ा एक हॉस्पिटल, चाहे एक छोटा एक हॉस्पिटल?
मेरी जानकारी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है. मैं अपने डॉक्टर पर बहुत भरोसा करता हूँ. I trust that he knows best. I honestly don't have the kind of expertise to say that it is falling short or it's not.
और कोई ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस जो डॉक्टर के पास जाके हुआ जब आप अपनी बेटी को लेके कोई कितना दर्द वाला हो सकता है, कोई इंजेक्शन, कोई लॉलीपॉप खिलाने?
हाँ, उसके जब वैक्सीनेशन वगैरह हो रहे थे तो हम दोनों को बहुत तकलीफ हुई। वे बहुत वेरी ट्रबल, जैसे इसको इंजेक्शन लगा और रोने लगी। सो both of us could not take it. So she and I were standing in the corner, like, रो रही है। She's too young for sweets now, don't start her so young.
How have you contributed to the fund to helping hands? How?
Actually, आपको एक मजेदार किस्सा सुनाता हूँ। One of the first things that I found out about helping hands, because there were these packets of nuts, these nuts, काजू बादाम किशमिश वगैरह, and it's just simple roasted nuts that are damn tasty. तो एक दिन मैं घर आया और टेबल पे पड़े थे, मैं खाने लगा। उन्होंने कहा कि यार ये अच्छी चीज़ है, कहाँ से आई है? It's from helping hands. So I wanted to know more about who they are, what do they do, how can we help. So the first thing which we thought of is कि हमारा के लिए जो birth announcements नहीं होते हैं, we send to everyone. So we wanted to get packets of this from helping hands. We thought that कि हमारा की खुशी में in that happiness we wanted to maybe try and help out also. So not just buying regular mithai. So it becomes in my mind Imara's contribution.
Hi Imran, I'm Tanya from Gulistan News. इमरान, आपने जैसा भी बताया कि आपकी लाइफ चेंज हो चुकी है फादर बनने के बाद, किस तरीके से अपने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को, अपनी फिल्मी करियर को और अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को आप मैनेज करते हैं?
मेरी हमेशा कोशिश यही रही है कि मैं अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को प्रायोरिटी दूँ, क्योंकि ये मेरी ज़िंदगी है। एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी कि मुझे वक्त मिले कि मैं अपने घर वालों के साथ घर पे बैठूँ, बाहर जाऊँ, जो भी है, I should have time to spend with them. And that has always been the case. That will never change. Sorry,
Contribution. Somebody asked what is his contribution. Imran has been there for us, for whatever they asked him to do. No questions asked. I think that is such a big contribution for somebody who is a celebrity. To just say, yes, I will be there for you. I think that is what is so important.
Hello.
Hi Imran, so how is the Animas is contributing in this helping hands? You've chosen this venue and everything. So what is exactly the whole scenario of this?
They are actually contributing a percentage of their October sales to helping hands. And once we all wrap up here, we will be passing out donor cards for anyone who else who feels like contributing. What was your name? That's what we work.
And if I'm talking about Bollywood, there was a news in UN that their Indian films stereotype and objectify women in a very big way. Do you agree to that?
Sorry, so could you repeat that?
That UN has a report.
United Nations.
Yeah, UN.
They're watching Bollywood films.
That they objectify women and stereotype. They show a lot of nudity. That's the highest rate of Bollywood films. So what?
I think it's unfair to single out Indian films for that. I think media around the world objectifies men, objectifies women. It is not an issue that is exclusive to Hindi films. Absolutely not. Does it happen? Yes, it does. Should it happen? No, it should not. But it's incorrect to say that our films are the only ones who do it.
Thank you so much.
Imran, B-Town celebs would be seen visiting Saturday this season. So, do you have any plans of making an appearance there to discuss any issue?
No, I have not been asked. I don't know if it's an invitation system or people are going by themselves. कौन जा रहा है? Sorry?
Salman.
अच्छा.
कुछ सेलिब्रिटी जो पूछे गए हैं.
नहीं, I have not been invited.
मामू जान के बारे में आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? उनका जो भी पोस्टर आया हुआ है, आप फिलहाल मुझे मिल रहा है.
PK poster जो.
I cannot imagine why people are making so much drama about it. लोग बड़े आसानी से offend हो जाते हैं.
तो ये ड्रामा नहीं, बस आपका एक ओपिनियन जानना चाहेंगे इमरान कि आप क्या
मुझे कमाल की बॉडी बनाई है.
जी
माँ की बॉडी बनाई है उन्होंने, मेरा यही ओपिनियन है।
क्या आप कभी वो
लुक के लिए
look के लिए
अगर
agree हो?
सॉरी बट
अगर आपको किसी फिल्म में अगर उस लुक को ट्राई करने का मौका मिले या फिर आपको लगे कि
अच्छी
आप
खासी बॉडी बनानी हो, बना के रखिए।
न्यूड लुक की बात करें, जैसे आमिर खान ने न्यूड लुक दिया है।
Would you like to follow Amir Khan's footsteps? You know, if you would.
Yeah, I don't have any such qualms about me being undressed on camera.
And would you prefer a transistor as well?
I'm from a slightly newer generation of use an iPad.